Look at the headlines. Power grids failing, supply chains breaking, and civil unrest spilling into everyday neighborhoods. The illusion of guaranteed safety in America is fading fast, and more people are realizing that they are their own first responder. But here is the hard truth most people ignore. When the unexpected hits, that full-sized rifle locked in a safe 50 miles away is completely useless. The only survival gun that matters is the one you actually have on you. That is exactly the problem takedown rifles were built to solve. Today, we are counting down 7 reliable rifles that fold, split, or collapse small enough to vanish into an everyday backpack and deploy in seconds when your life depends on it. Stick around, because number 1 is the gun almost every true survivalist owns and doesn't even think twice about. Seven, Chiappa LA 322 Deluxe Takedown. Here's one that doesn't look like a survival gun at all, and that might be exactly the point. The Chiappa LA 322 Deluxe is a lever-action 22 LR, the kind of rifle your grandfather would have recognized instantly, except this one comes apart. Loosen a single large screw on the side of the receiver, and the whole thing separates into 2 pieces, short enough to disappear into a duffel bag. No tools? No fuss. Feeding from a 15-round tubular magazine under the barrel, this rifle gives you serious rimfire capacity in a package that still feels classic. Checkered walnut furniture, a black chrome receiver, an 18.5-inch barrel that's plenty accurate for small game or plinking. The half-cock hammer gives you a built-in safety, and a 3/8-inch dovetail up top means you can still mount an optic if you want one. Why does this belong on a survival list? Because lever guns almost never fail. There's no gas system to gum up, no polymer parts to shatter in the cold. Just steel doing what steel has done for 150 years. At around 5.5 pounds, it won't wear you down on a long carry either. It's not going to win a tactical shooting match, and nobody's mistaking it for a black rifle. But if your definition of survival includes putting meat on the table quietly and reliably, the LA 322 might outlast half the guns on this list. 6. CVA Scout Takedown. Simplicity is a feature, not a limitation, and nothing proves that better than the CVA Scout Takedown. This is a single-shot, break-action rifle, and that alone tells you almost everything about why it's here. One moving part that matters, one round in the chamber, one trigger pull, nothing to jam because there's barely anything to break. Pop it open, remove the barrel with 0 tools, and it's ready to ride in a truck, a boat, or a bug-out bag without eating up space. The stock alone is worth talking about. A removable length-of-pull spacer and an interchangeable comb riser system let you dial in the fit for different shooters or different scope setups, something you rarely see on a gun this affordable. Every version means a fluted stainless barrel with a radial muzzle brake to tame recoil, and the Picatinny rail up top means you can slap on optics in seconds. What really sets this apart is the chambering lineup, because CVA didn't just stick with the usual suspects. Options like 350 Legend give you a rifle capable of dropping deer-sized game at realistic distances, something a lot of survival calibers can't claim. Priced under $500, it consistently punches above its price point on accuracy. If you want one gun, one shot, and total confidence that it fires every single time you pull the trigger, this is that gun. 5. Savage Model 42 Takedown. Why carry one gun when a single button gets you 2? The Savage Model 42 Takedown is an over-under combo, a rimfire barrel stacked on top of a 410 bore shotgun barrel, and that combination alone makes it one of the most versatile survival options on this entire list. Need to take down a rabbit or a squirrel without wasting a shotgun shell? Flip the selector and fire the 22 LR or 22 WMR barrel. Need stopping power on something bigger or a loaded shot for a snake underfoot? The 410 is right there waiting. One push of a button on the forehand and the 20-inch barrels separate from the receiver, folding the whole rifle down into a package that fits inside the included carry bag, built specifically for grabbing and going. At just over 6 pounds, it won't punish you on a long hike, and the synthetic stock shrugs off rough handling in a way older wood-stocked combo guns never could. It's not a flawless design. Some shooters have reported light primer strikes on rimfire rounds out of the box, which is worth test firing thoroughly before you trust your life to it. But once it's proven reliable, reliable with your ammo of choice, you're carrying a rifle and a shotgun in the space of one broken down package. For campers, ranchers, and anyone who wants two calibers without doubting their pack weight, the Model 42 earns this spot. 4. Ruger PC Carbine. Ammo simplicity might be the most underrated survival skill there is, and the Ruger PC Carbine was built around exactly that idea. Chambered in 9mm, this takedown rifle uses the same locking system that made the legendary 1022 takedown famous. Push a recessed lever, twist the barrel assembly, and pull it apart into two pieces small enough to fit in a day pack. But here's the detail that makes it genuinely brilliant. Swap the magazine well, and it runs standard Glock magazines. If your sidearm is already a Glock, or you're carrying Glock mags for any reason, this rifle drinks from the exact same well. Fewer magazine types, fewer ammo types, less to think about when everything else is falling apart. A custom tungsten dead blow weight shortens bolt travel and tames recoil and muzzle rise, so follow-up shots come fast and controlled. The billet aluminum receiver keeps weight reasonable at just under 7 pounds, while a full-length Picatinny rail and M-LOK slots mean it's ready for optics and accessories the moment you need them. Ambidextrous controls, a reversible magazine release, threaded barrel options for a suppressor. This rifle checks boxes that most pistol caliber carbines only pretend to check. Pistol caliber power and rifle length accuracy, foldable into nothing, feeding from mags you might already own. That's not just convenient, that's a rifle built by people who actually thought about the scenario. 3. Henry AR-7 Survival Rifle. Some guns are designed for the range. This one was designed to float. The Henry AR-7 is a semi-automatic 22 LR that breaks down into 3 pieces: barrel, action, and 2 8-round magazines. And every single piece stows inside the stock itself. Snap it shut, and the whole rifle becomes a sealed, buoyant polymer package that weighs about 3.5 pounds and can genuinely float on water if you ever end up in a situation where that matters. No tools required for assembly. No wondering if you packed the right wrench. Just snap the barrel onto the receiver, drop in a magazine, and you're shooting within seconds. The blowback semi-automatic action means follow-up shots come quick, which matters more than people realize when small game or pests are involved. There's a rail up top for an optic, though mounting one means you'll lose the ability to nest the barrel back inside the stock, a small trade-off worth knowing before you buy. At roughly $290, this is one of the most affordable rifles on this entire list, and yet it might be the single most purpose-built survival gun here. It wasn't adapted into a takedown rifle after the fact. It was engineered from day one to disappear into a stock and reappear the moment you need it. That's not a bonus feature, that's the entire reason it exists. 2. Kel-Tec Sub2000. Folding a rifle in half sounds like a gimmick until you've actually watched it happen. The Kel-Tec Sub2000 hinges at the receiver and collapses down to just over 16 inches long, short enough to sit flat in a backpack, a briefcase, or under a truck seat without anyone giving it a second glance. The newest Gen 3 versions even added a twisting rail mount, which means you can leave an optic mounted and still fold the whole rifle closed, something earlier generations couldn't do. Deploy it, and you're looking at a carbine running anywhere from about 30 to 45 inches, depending on the stock position, weighing in around 4.5 pounds unloaded. What really sells this rifle, though, is magazine compatibility. Depending on the chambering, the Sub2000 can run mags from Glock and other major pistol makers, meaning the same ammunition and magazines you're carrying for your sidearm can feed your carbine too. That kind of overlap is rare, and in a real bug-out scenario, rare is valuable. A threaded muzzle on most models means suppressor use is on the table, and the barrel's rate of twist is tuned for stability at real-world distances, not just close range. It's not the prettiest rifle in the safe, but fold it, unfold it, feed it from mags you already own. The Sub2000 was built by people solving the exact problem this whole list exists to solve. 1. Ruger 1022 Takedown. Millions of these have been sold, and there's a reason it's the rifle almost everyone eventually ends up owning. The Ruger 1022 Takedown didn't just create the modern takedown category, it perfected it. Pop the lever at the front of the receiver, twist, and the barrel separates cleanly from the action in seconds. Dropping the whole rifle into the included backpack case, Ruger ships with it. No tools, no drama, and critically, no loss of zero when you put it back together. A problem that plagues cheaper takedown designs, but was solved here from the very beginning. Chambered in 22 LR, this semi-automatic platform benefits from an ecosystem no other rimfire rifle on Earth can match. Aftermarket stocks, barrels, triggers, optics mounts, and magazines in every configuration imaginable, including takedown-specific stocks from companies like Magpul that make packing it even tighter. It's light, it's soft shooting, and it's forgiving enough for a brand new shooter, while still being fun and useful for someone who's been shooting for 40 years. Ammunition is cheap and everywhere, which matters enormously if you're stockpiling for the long haul. This isn't the most powerful gun on this list, and it never claimed to be. But reliability isn't about power. It's about a gun that works every time, for everyone, in every condition, for decades. That's why the 10/22 Takedown isn't just on this list. It's the rifle this entire list was built around. 7 rifles, 1 mission. Never be caught without one again. Which one's earning a spot in your bag? Drop it below, hit subscribe, and stay ready with All About Survival.